Have you wondered how you can use Google Sites to create your very own websites just for free? If yes, then you've come to the right video because in today's video, we'll be learning how we can use Google Sites to generate our very own website for free. So without further ado, I'm Pritla Shabir from Web Creators and let's get started. To create your website using Google Sites, first of all, we're going to search for Google Sites. Click on the first option and choose a blank template. A template. As we are not going to do it from scratch, obviously. Then change the name of your restaurant or whatever. I'm going to write the Diners. I'm going to write your food is our responsibility. Then to put an image over here as a background, first of all you're going to click on banner, then click on image and then click select if you don't have an image. Then I'm going to search for pizza and you can choose anything. Now as you can see, it is adjusting for readability. Now if you want to change this pizza image over here, so you're gonna click on anchor image, then choose the directions. I think I'm going to like it in the center, so I'll just put it as it was. You can add anything or change anything you like. Hope you like it. And if you want to add a section, just click on content blocks, then choose anything you want. You can also choose put it from here to there, but I think I'm good with the settings. Now to add images in here, you're going to click on this plus option, click on select image, click on Google Images and write pizza or whatever you like. You can do the same with the others. If you want to add your map location over here, then just click on map and you can write your location. I'm going to, for example, write America and I'll just put it somewhere. You can even make it bigger and smaller and then click select when you're done. Now to add pages, you're just going to click on this plus option, then click on new page. You can write anything like about us and click enter. As you can see, it has been created. Now when you're done with everything you want, then you can just simply click on publish, then type what name do you want it to be published with. I'm going to write the Diners, and as you can see, that's a great address, but it's already taken. So okay, let's try something else. The Excellence. This is also taken. You can just choose any name. I'm going to try it again and again. Sometimes it loads in a different way. As you can see, it is loading. Let's just do it the other one. Now here is your website address, URL you can say. I don't want to put a custom domain, so I'm good with it. Now who can see your site? You can click on manage from here if you don't want it to be public. I want it to be anyone with the link. Then click done when you're good with the adjustments. Copy this link, URL. Just a second. And then click on publish. As you can see, your website is getting published. Now if you want to view your website, just click on view. And as you can see, it will face some problems in the first, but in a few hours it will get better. Oh, there you go. Here it is. Yeah, it is now online on the internet. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye.